Saima and Mohammed are on their daily visit to their baby son Kez, who was born at 25 weeks. Today, Saima is going to experience skin-to-skin contact with Kez.
Right, are we all ready? Yeah, excited?
Yep.
So what I'm going to do, Saima, is I'm going to lift Kez out and I'm going to pop him on your chest. So his head's going to be on your chest and his body facing downwards, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to put a hand on his head and a hand on his bottom. Now, when he first comes out, his first instinct is to push away, okay? Because he's looking for a boundary again. Yeah. So what I want you to do is give him that good positive touch like you have been doing. Okay. Hand on the head, hand on the bottom, and press him against your body. Okay. So he's feeling that nice security. Yeah. Okay? Brilliant. Okay. Okay. Okay, Daddy, can you do that? That's it. Got him tightly?
Yep.
Good.
Got it right.
That's lovely.
Oh, he's wriggling.
That's it. You see what I mean about him wriggling away? That's it. He might grumble a little bit just because it's all different. That's okay. You're not used to hearing them sounds, are you?
Yeah. Oh.
I'm going to put the sling over him, okay? And I'll tell you when to move your hands, okay? So you just stay where you are for now. So we just tuck his toes in underneath. And that's lovely. That's it? Okay? You feel okay?
Yeah.
Lovely.
He's gone to sleep just when I want to take him to wake up.
Perfect. He's nice and relaxed. But sometimes we find that daddies do get quite worried about holding baby. They think that they're going to drop baby. So sometimes this is the best way for daddies to hold baby because the baby's tied to you. He can't go anywhere. If you let go, he's not going to go anywhere.
When he's in the incubator and I'm holding him or I'm touching him, there's that barrier, you know, between us, and this is the way it's meant to be. And I really like it this way.